When you're going with Section 8 properties, guys, your 3-1s bring in a fatter voucher, okay? You want those tenants who have the 3-bedroom voucher. You're going to get much more rent. So by the time you're done with this whole thing, you'll be well under $150,000 into this investment, and you'll be bringing in freaking $3,300 a month in rent, right? All right, y'all, if you're down to do some cleanup here, we got a big opportunity that you can really turn around and make a massive amount of rental income, especially when compared to the purchase price, right? The numbers are astronomical on this. What we have here is a 3-unit, 6211 Fullerton. You get a duplex in the front of the property, followed up by a single-family house. And the cool thing with the house and the duplex units is all of which feature an additional bedroom other than like what is normal around here, right? Like the majority of the housing stock in the Cleveland market for duplexes, you're going to see a lot of 2-1 units, okay? 2-bed, 1-bath units, which is fine, which is well and good. But the thing is, when you're going with Section 8 properties, guys, your 3-1s bring in a fatter voucher, okay? You want those tenants who have the 3-bedroom voucher. You're going to get much more rent, right? So both of these units, we can get $975 a month in rent. One of which, right, which you've been looking at the footage, that is vacant. It's been like, pretty recently renovated. Like it's, not rent ready, obviously, right? Like, the last tenant was evicted out of there, which is, why you got to go Section 8. You don't want to go cash paying because this is what your unit's going to end up looking like, okay? But you go Section 8, you get that government guaranteed rent. So you're going to obviously spend a few $1,000s in this unit, getting it all cleaned up, getting all the bullshit out of here, ready to rock and roll. You'll be bringing in $975. The other one has a non-paying tenant in there, so we got to go and evict that motherfucker. Boop! And then redo that unit, get that ready to go at $975. And then the house also features more bedrooms, right? Most of like the Section 8 housing stock in the city of Cleveland is going to be 3-1s, okay? Not the case here. This is a 4-2, so we're going to be able to get $1,350 in rent out of this thing. Bigger renovation needed here, right? You're dropping, 25, 30, maybe more, probably more, maybe like $40K, okay? But you'll be able to get $1,350 in Section 8 rent out of that. So by the time you're done with this whole thing, you'll be well under $150,000 into this investment, and you'll be bringing in freaking $3,300 a month in rent, right? The numbers speak for themselves. You go Section 8, capitalize on the big bedroom counts here. This thing is looking good. You want to make an offer on this property, let me know. Send my team an email, sales@holtonwise.com. Cash offers only. We don't need to hear about no conventional financing. No. Cash offers, have proof of funds ready. If you got like hard money financing or like private equity and stuff, we can work with that. But like no conventional lenders, folks. The house, the situation here, it's totally all jacked up. And if you want to tour the vacant units prior to putting in that offer physically, great. Let us know. We'll get you in there same day. If you're out of state and you can't physically tour, I want you to stick around right now. Do not click off this video because I'm going to give you the uncut footage that you've been looking at throughout this video. I'm going to give you the full uncut footage right now.
Derek currently trying to get us into this place. Boop. 6'2".
No answer.
That's fine. I'll do the exterior. Holy shit, dude, this is a dead groundhog here. At least I hope he's dead. The kid is not my son. And the back house. God, I wish it was cool. You good in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I am the one.
Heat's obviously out. Shit's set to 90. So I don't know what's going on here, but the door over here is locked.
Oh, I wonder if that's the basement. Maybe.
Could be. There's another door over here.
Yeah, there's a door outside. I assume that probably goes through. You said this door's locked? The one on the spring?
No, the other one.
Oh,
That is the basement, by the way.
yeah. That out there?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Aren't there steps over there too? Or did I make that up?
No.
I want to make that up.
But that door right there is locked.
I bet that just goes out back.
Or it's another door leading from the basement.
Well, cool layout. I'm dangerous as fuck.
A little sunlight, dude.
There's a door over here too. There's 2 rooms up here. This place certainly has potential. What?
One of those old school desks from like.
A million billion years ago?
Yeah.
Just up in here?
Yeah, there's no seat attached to it though. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, you don't see something like that every day.
I was kind of thinking about going back and visiting my high school and buying one of those desks off them just so I could crack my back.
They don't use those desks anymore, dude.
I wouldn't be surprised if they just didn't fucking use books anymore.
They probably actually don't.
What are you?
Oh, there's a bathroom. There's a bathroom up here.
How old? Okay.
It's weird though, because I think this is only a half bath. There was no bathroom downstairs?
Maybe it's one of those 2 locked doors.
We must get in.
Of course, there was no knock. I mean, no answer when I knocked either.
Yeah, you'll have that now. Oh, almost went through the step.
Alright, so that seemed locked. Maybe it's just stuck. Locked, right?
Yeah. It's locked. And you said this is unlocked back here?
No, this is locked too. Maybe those are like access points coming out of the basement.
Haha, bathroom.
Maybe I'm just stupid.
I had to unlock it
Oh, how the fuck did you do that from out here?
with the thumb screw. Damn, dude, I don't think anybody's lived here in a while. I'm almost afraid to go in the basement.
I mean, it looks like your typical shitty basement.
Hey, at least you got Romex behind your wall. Modern.
Standard pile of tires out here. Always tires.
This light does nothing over here.
Yeah. Daylight kind of just takes it over. You got this whole shit hole right here.
I mean, yeah, how do you fucking miss it? It's the first thing you see when you come in.
It was the first thing I saw when I came in.
Actually, I saw all this roach shit around this light. Oh crap, this is like a sales walkthrough video.
Yeah.
This place needs some TLC.
Well, you know. Ceiling would be a start.
What was my initial thought when I walked in here? Eek. Alright, and you said this door is?
Yeah, I already got it open.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's
Fucking rapey, murdered basement.
very rapey, murdery basement.
Hello, friends. Anybody down here?
Nobody raped me.
Why the fuck did I even come down here? Fuck! Now I'm down here in the dark.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Oh my god.
It's upside down.
I'm panicking.
Oh, I gotta get out of here.
Okay. Well, I guess there's electrical. There used to be a furnace.
Just to show that it's all fucking mellow. It's probably been like this for a while, I'd imagine.
Yeah. I doubt somebody just recently came and took the fucking hot water
I
tank.
heard we were coming. I'm like, we gotta get that furnace on.
Alright, you can go.
Look at that.
I know, it's pretty cool.
It's kind of bumpy.
I like this right here. I just noticed this.
That's a fun time.
You touch that, you're gonna have a bad time.
Maybe. We're the only way to find out.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we just gotta figure out this fucking front house situation.
I mean, we can't get in, we can't get in. It is what it is.
Right?
They ain't good.
And I doubt I don't know which fucking door we have to do. I don't know what this is.
Well, there's only one front door. That's gotta go to the...
Yeah, I imagine this gotta go right into the...
Yeah. Huh, there is a room back there. That's like $3,000 in tires. Not like the price of them, but like what it'll cost to eliminate them. Yeah, I would imagine this is common door.
This has gotta be...
Is it the up unit? Oh, there we go.
I saw the mailbox open and I was like, what are the chances? But this has its own mailbox, so it's gotta be the upper unit, right?
I guess we're gonna find out. Maybe we won't.
No, that worked. This is a common door.
Yep, perfect.
Alright, so basement.
Yep.
Might as well knock that out.
Yeah. Hello, anybody down here? Okay, I don't want to scare nobody.
It has hollow windows.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Look at this furnace for a little price of food. You see that? It's for a furnace for you, Joe.
Bunks. Bunks, alright. Oh, this must be the ups hot water tank. Alright, I'll let you leave.
Go upstairs.
Yeah. Oh shit, my battery's almost dead.
On what?
It's blinking red.
On the camera?
No,
Battery?
of course on the camera.
Should be able to get a few minutes.
Yeah. That was weird.
Yeah, it wasn't locked.
Okay. Kitchen. Kitchen. Bedroom. Bedroom. Sorry, I'm being a little quick, guys. Cold must be fucking with this battery. Because it was fully charged in that back house. And now it's blinking red.
Chicken bones in the bedroom.
You love to see it.
Well, I'll leave these keys in a lockbox then.
And naked Ken doll on the floor. Yeah. Let's see. What we got? Ken doing his thing. Yeah, some chicken bones.
Can't access the porch.
Yep, the only thing left for me is the bathroom.
Yeah, it's right by the back.
Yep. Wait a minute. It's a fridge door. And a fridge door,
With no fridge.
but no fridge.
Oh.
Bathroom needs a little work. All right, we're good.
Alright. I'll let you leave that.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Lock it up. It's unlocked.
Yeah, look it up.
All right. Easy peasy.
I guess I'll leave a lockbox on this side door.
Yeah. Try to do the side of this house the best I can. Where the sun is hitting, it's not. Ugh. And
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.